Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the Happy Hut. I'm going to try and do this quickly before the neighbour starts their really loud lawnmower again. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a strimmer line to a Bosch ART23 strimmer. I'm a tightwad dad. I try to find joy in the things that we already have, but I did actually buy this. There's a link to where you can get one of these strimmer cutting line spool replacements in the description below. I did think about buying one from the pound shop, but I'm sort of fed up of picking up bits of blue line from around the garden, so I'm going to try the proper stuff today. Big day for all of us. So let's see how to plug this into this. So yeah, I did treat myself to the official Bosch ART23 SL cutting line spool, because that's how I roll. You can see the latest price of it in the description on Amazon. This is what the replacement spool line cartridge looks like. Someone left a comment in my last video to say that it's called a trimmer. I'm going to call it a strimmer. You see there's a button here with some arrows on. If I turn it round, there's one on the other side. Finger and thumb, squeeze them together. You'll be able to push up this middle section here. And then inside you'll see my cheap replacement spool. You can just pull that out. But the trouble with this line was that when it fell apart, the line would be so hot that it would fuse to the rest of the line in there, and I'd spend some time picking it out. So I'm hoping that won't happen with this one, which looks a bit more sturdy, like it won't melt. Find the end of the spool, just pull the line out. It's just been tucked in there for neatness. Just get a little length of it here. Then you put the line onto the strimmer itself. Is it strimmer or trimmer? Leave me a comment. Tell me what you prefer. There's a feed hole, which I'm going to feed this cable through. And then I can place the cartridge onto the middle there. I'm going to pull it so it's nice and tight. I don't know if you've noticed this, but there's an actual blade on your strimmer. This extra length will be cut off on the first spin, and it should keep the strimmer lead at the right length at all times. Hold it down so it doesn't fall out. If you can get these lugs back onto the strimmer, just push the buttons in slightly so they slide back into the middle section. And you get that really satisfying click. It's okay if you've got a bit extra, because this blade will cut it to exactly the right length. Oh, I'm going to waste all of that lead. Great, so now we're ready to strim, or is it trim? You can live vicariously through me now doing my gardening chores. I'll give you some action footage. I actually made a video of the unboxing of the ART23. I've put a link at the top of the video. It's in the description. There's maybe a clip of it running now if you wanted to see more of this particular strimmer. Hang on, let's just check that the lead is now cut to the right length. Can you see that? There we go, it's exactly the right length. And the great thing there is that, as you can see, I've been going right up into the stones, and the lead has survived. The last one would fall apart on some of that action. So I've done some heavy duty trimming, and look, this is what it's done to the lead. It's still going. That's lasted a lot longer than my El Cheapo line. I thought I would to show you how I get the line out again to get a nice longer cut. It's quite close to, to the camera. So as before, oh, by the way, I've turned it off. What you do is you use your thumb and finger to push in that button that opens up this middle compartment. Just turn it around in the canister slightly, just a couple of notches. You can see that the line is now up to where that blade is. Maybe I'll give it one more notch. There we go. And then I will push this center section down again till it clicks. Make sure that it's clicked on both sides. And it's okay, as before, if it's a bit longer than the blade, because the blade here will cut it to the right length. So that's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and if you have reached this part of the video, why don't leave me a thumbs up? That would really help me know that someone reached this point of the video. If you're feeling even kinder, you never have to watch any of my videos again, but if you hit the subscribe button, that helps keep this going. If you'd like to buy this spool, don't forget the links are in the description, and Amazon shower me with pennies for each one sold, so that would be really helpful for me. And good luck with your gardening. I'm just pleased that I managed to get ours done before it started raining. Thanks.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?